know if you've seen it, but there was a drip there. So you see that too. When you buy used vehicles, you run into this every once in a while. Somebody did a repair once upon a time, and apparently they drilled into that hole too far and they hit a water jacket. So yeah, not to mention they oversized drill. So they took an 8mm hole, drilled it out to 10mm coarse thread. They took a piece of threaded rod and they didn't drill the hole straight, so the bolt was actually crooked. It was a bitch to get the header off because it was hung up on that bolt, which was put in crooked. This one broke off too, and you can see the threads are pretty bad on it, so I'm gonna have to cut that off, drill that out. There's one back there. You can see I've got a cert just kind of hand threaded in, partially out. I got to drill that hole in and put that in a little bit further, but stay tuned. We'll see how this works. That hole right there is so bad, I'll be amazed if I'm able to repair it without pulling this head off. But I have a pretty nifty tool that I've been using for a little while. It has saved me a ton of money. We're gonna see if it can save me a ton of money today or this evening. I'll probably finish this up tomorrow, but I'll show you the tool in another clip, and it's definitely worth its weight. So it's a little bit of an expensive tool. You're gonna probably spend $300-400 on it. It's Promax makes the tool, but it is amazing engineering. It's really easy to use. I wish the guy that had run into this problem prior to me would have had the tool or used the tool or taken the effort to find the tool, because it would have made my life a lot easier. But we're gonna see if Promax can save me again. And when I'm done, I'm not a YouTuber or anything like that. I don't do this on a regular basis. I mean, I've been working and a mechanic and technician for 30 years. I don't typically film these things, but Promax has saved me so much, and I just wanted to give them a little bit of credit today. And I reached out to them this afternoon, and they're super knowledgeable, super helpful. And I told them that when I did this job, if it worked out good, I was going to send them a clip. So that's what I'm doing, and just to show you guys what the right tool can do for you. Now, if you don't have the right tool, man, you can make somebody's life miserable. If not yours, it'll be the next guy's. But hopefully Promax bails me out again. If it doesn't, I will not be upset, because this is well beyond screwed up. More than what I would expect any tool to be able to bail me out of. But we'll see what happens.